In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add target accounts in HubSpot. Target accounts help you prioritize the companies that matter most to your sales and marketing teams. By marking a company as a target account, you unlock focused views, reporting, and collaboration features designed for account-based work. In this walkthrough, we'll move smoothly through the interface and highlight a few tips so you feel confident managing your list. Start on your main HubSpot navigation and open the sales area. This is where HubSpot groups the tools built for pipelines, prospects, and account management. Once you're there, look for target accounts. This page brings your account-based strategy into one place, letting you see which companies are being prioritized, who owns them, and what activity is happening. When you're ready to add new ones, choose Add Target Accounts. HubSpot will open a selector where you can browse or search your existing company records. Target accounts are tied to companies already in your CRM, so you'll be choosing from the companies you've imported or created. If you use firmographic filters or naming conventions, typing a few letters into the search bar can help you find the right match faster. Now, click the company you want to prioritize. You can usually select more than one if you're updating a batch. As you click, you'll see your choices gather in the selection tray, so you can double check your list before confirming. Take a moment to verify that you're choosing the right records. Look at the domain, industry, or location if those details are visible, so you don't accidentally flag the wrong company. When your selections look good, click. Select accounts to confirm them. This action tells HubSpot to mark those companies as target accounts, which can drive alerts, views, and account-focused dashboards depending on your setup. If you're coordinating with a team, this is a great time to align on ownership and next steps outside of this screen, such as assigning an account owner or reviewing open deals. To wrap up, click Done. You'll return to the target accounts page, where your newly added companies will now appear. From here, you can sort and filter to keep your list clean and actionable. If you're managing a longer list, consider saving a view that highlights target accounts by owner or lifecycle stage, so everyone can quickly see their priorities. And that's it. You navigated to sales, opened target accounts, added the companies you care about, confirmed the selection, and finished the update. With these steps, you'll keep your account-based efforts organized and make it easier for your team to focus where it counts.